Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to verify your Cash App account. So you can see this is your main Cash App account. So all the options are available here. So why you need to verify your Cash App account? Because if your account is not verified, you can only withdraw $10, but if your account is verified, you can even withdraw $100. So simply you can click on profile. So after clicking on profile, you can see edit profile option. So here what you need to do, first of all, click your complete name, your hashtag, your bio. So here you can preview your account. So you have to add all these details as well. You have to add a profile picture here. So you have to add all these details here, like personal details, first name, last name, add bio, email address, add. So after adding all these personal details, and you click to switch to a business account, in this way you can verify your Cash App account.